Hi guys, welcome to One Big Family. This is me Chiring and this is my छोटा brother Nishan. So guys, due to this COVID situation, we have faced a lot of difficulties, we know that, and we have wasted a lot of time. We have nothing to do and we just stayed at home, literally doing nothing. So now after 3 months, I've realized that I've wasted a lot of time and I just wanted to make myself more productive, more creative and do something new and see my side and develop my skills. So that is why we thought of making a new YouTube channel and this is our first video. So hope so you people will like it. So looking at the setup, hope so you people have guessed what the challenge is about. So please can you tell what the challenge is?
Momo challenge.
Okay, so no, wait, we just don't have a Momo challenge. Along with it, we have some basic GK questions which will be thrown to us and we'll be answering in between. So just to make it more interesting for you people. Okay, so before starting this Momo challenge, I would just like to ask one question to him. So Ringsel, तिमीलाई के लाग्छ तिमी जित्छ?
जित्छु भन्छ तपाईलाई त यस्तो इजी.
So we have 2 plates each. In one we have 10 momos and in the other we have 10 momos. And please, looking at from there, you can see, you feel like it's small momo, but it's very big. खोर्सानी खानुपर्छ भाइ. खानुपर्छ
खानु.
Guys, he only eats momo with sauce. And those who can relate with him, please do comment in the comment box down below.
म जाने हैन.
अच्छा.
So baby of a dog is called?
Puppy.
Which animal is known as the ship of the desert?
Camel.
So where does a pig live?
Style. Big style.
Big god.
You got?
Bay of Bengal is in which state?
This one. Children. Children.
What word is spelled incorrectly in every single dictionary?
Ringsel.
What gets wetter the more it dries?
Towel.
Very good, towel.
No, हाम्रो first round 2 जनाको सक्यो and the winner is this boy. So now we have the second round and now you must eat with achar.
No.
Otherwise you will be disqualified. If you don't want to eat with achar, I'll give you one offer. Okay? If you want to eat with this sauce, what you have to do is that you have to sing for us.
No.
Your favorite song.
No.
If you don't want to sing, then it won't be. You have to eat with achar. Start. I'll eat your 6 momo, but you have to sing. Okay? Your favorite song. Put your 6 momo. 2, 3,
Hey, 7.
4, 5, 6. Only 6. 7 हालेछ है.
Yes.
7 हालेछ. Now sing your favorite song with some dance step also.
Goodbye, everybody. Now I need some changes in my life. Now I need to move on. That's done.
He is a bathroom singer, but still I have to request him to do such thing. It's rolling.
You lose.
first, eat first.
You have got, I don't know how much.
Now, so much plate. We have only one. Who will win now? Who will win?
I'll
If you don't win, then I'll beat you, okay?
Anh lấy đi.
Hmm? Trying to prank?
No.
Have one somewhere, okay?
This is, look here.
Huh? You have to chew and follow. Then only you win.
This is. Pani.
Okay.
Yeah, yes.
The winner for today's Momo challenge is this boy. Vincent. So, I want water. Okay, so clearly he has won the challenge. He has 0 left and I have many left. I can count also. So,
Gone you the suffer, I'm gone you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
okay, he's saying I have 14 left momos out here, so I am the loser for this challenge. And for the basic GK quiz, I think so I have won because I have answered to most of the questions, and he has won. So if you like this video, please do
Subscribe.
like,
Comment.
share and subscribe. Guys, hope you liked the video. This is our first video and we're gonna try and do better next time. Please show your love, support, and if you like this video, please do like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.